Hey guys, it's Evelyn and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to film a video talking about what I'm doing this fall for college, my fall semester of my sophomore year, and just let you know what I'm doing, about the opportunity that I am taking part in, and just what I'm going to be doing and researching and all of that cool stuff. So without further ado, let's just get started. So if you don't know me, my name's Evelyn. I am an environmental science and policy major at Clarkson University and I'm in the honors program. I'm going to be a sophomore. Technically, I'm a junior because of my credits, but I'm a second year student. I'm also going to be adding a literature minor and probably maybe a communications minor also. Kind of sounds weird, but another aspect of my life is that I write a lot and I'm very into obviously communications and stuff like that. So that's just another fun thing to know about me. But anyway, Clarkson University has this opportunity called the Adirondack Semester, in which a group of around 12 students each fall gets to go live at Paul Smith's college and participate in an integrated research project dealing with the environment while also taking a few different classes about ecology and human relations to the environment and particularly to the Adirondacks, and also some classes on geographical information systems or GIS and stuff like that. It's not really structured like a regular semester, which I'll talk about a little bit in a bit, but if you are a Clarkson student interested in this, I will leave some links down below that explain it more in depth. There's lots of YouTube videos out there and links on Clarkson's website, and you can always reach out to the professors. All their information is going to be on those websites. But anyway, so each year they do a different project that has to do with the environment and environmental policy and the Adirondacks. Last year they were working on Lake Placid and helping them become LEED certified as a LEED certified community, so helping them be a more sustainable community and work towards having sustainable goals in their community so that maybe they could hopefully host the Olympics again by showing the world that they are a sustainability center. If you want to know more about like LEED for communities and stuff like that, you just Google it. It's really cool. I did a project on similar programs last summer. Or was that 2 years ago? I think that was 2 years ago that they did that. Last year they were looking at the hiking trails in the Adirondacks and like overuse of hiking trails. There's lots of different types of projects. This year, we are going to be working on mercury in vernal pools in the Adirondacks, so like legacy mercury from coal power plants in Pennsylvania and stuff like that. And we probably heard a lot about like acid rain issues that happen in the Adirondacks, so it's kind of similar in that respect. So we're going to be doing lots of field work and also looking at policy and how humans relate to the Adirondacks and to this issue, and looking at how like climate change is affecting this issue. Sorry, I'm like reading notes on my laptop, so that's why I'm staring in this direction. So we're going to be looking at this from a quantitative biogeochemical standpoint, and also again through like a political and environmental policy lens. Some of the things that we're going to be looking at, according to the researcher and the professors that I'm working with, is that we're going to be comparing mercury in vernal pools between the St. Lawrence River Valley and the Adirondacks, assessing what biogeochemical factors dictate mercury bioavailability in these pools. So like what differs between the valley and the Adirondacks, what is it about vernal pools that allows mercury to enter the food chain, and when is mercury in vernal pools most available in the food web. We're also going to be looking at just what is the story of mercury in vernal pools, where really did it come from, and how is it affecting the ecosystems there. From a policy standpoint, we are going to be raising a flag on locations in the landscape where mercury may be mobilized into the food chain, i.e. identifying where management effort should go and where protective policies should be in place and why. We're also going to draw attention to vernal pools as important pieces of forested landscapes that are susceptible to mercury contamination. So why should managers and policymakers care about vernal pools? Why should they care about mercury in the landscape? What may happen to vernal pools as climate change impacts this region? And how might climate change influence the mercury cycle in this region? So this is what we're looking at. We are working with a research student, a graduate research student, and also a bunch of like biology and ecology professors and some political science professors and environmental communication professors. It's going to be really cool. I'm really excited. Hopefully it doesn't get canceled last minute. But there are going to be 12 of us living at Paul Smith's and just taking classes together and being outside a lot of the time, wearing our masks obviously. So it's going to be great. It's a great semester to not be on Clarkson's campus and having to follow a lot of like really strict quarantine rules, which obviously really important, and I would follow them if I was there. It's just nice that I get to be outside and not having to deal with like ordering food online and all the other crazy things we have to do with this stuff. So I won't like explain a whole bunch more of the environmental and like sciencey stuff right now, obviously because I don't know a lot of it yet. I haven't learned about it yet, but also I just don't want to like make this video a whole bunch of scientific jargon. But yeah, that's like the gist of what we're going to be researching, and we're going to be doing like an overnight trip the first weekend where we are hiking and then camping, and we're going to do lots of just field work and taking water samples and walking through the woods and going on hikes and just learning about nature and how we connect to it and how important it is to us and just how special the Adirondacks are. So I'm really excited. I just wanted to let you guys know that's what I'm going to be doing, and hopefully I will be able to have time to edit lots of vlogs and upload them. I'm going to try to make some of the videos as a project for one of the classes that we have to take called a Sense of Place course, where it's really about like your connections with nature. So I'm going to write lots of like poems hopefully about it, and also make vlogs that I can share with you guys and also have as my project for the class, so that'll be really exciting. One of my friends says that he has a GoPro and is going to be trying to get lots of cool footage while we're hiking, so hopefully he'll let me put some of that in our videos, so that's really exciting. Yeah, it's just kind of a short little update video letting you know what I'm doing, and that's where I'm going to be this fall. So if I have a couple weeks where I don't have videos up, it's just because I'm out in the woods and don't have time to edit, but hopefully I will be uploading every Wednesday still. And the video after this is going to be a haul of all of the stuff that I've gotten for hiking and backpacking, because the overnight camping trip that we do is going to be my first time like officially backpacking and camping. I slept in a tent in my backyard once, but obviously that does not count. And I've gone on some hikes, but none like high peak level like the Adirondacks, so I'm really excited. I've been working out all summer, but not enough cardio I don't think, so I'm probably going to be like really out of breath and out of shape, just like I was when I was hiking in the Catskills. I went on a hike with my family. Obviously it wasn't like a huge hike, but I was still out of breath with that, even though I've been exercising a lot, so hopefully I just get in shape really fast for the semester. But I will keep you guys in the loop, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell so you know when I upload videos. Again, hopefully it'll be every Wednesday at 4, and yeah, thanks for watching. See you next time.